Welcome! If you manage a Telegram channel and want to give your admins the power to manage stories, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest updates, you can easily enable this feature and make collaborations smoother for your team. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you set it up. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has the necessary admin rights for the channel you want to manage. Next, navigate to your channel. You'll find it in your chat list. Just tap to open it. Once inside, look at the top of the screen and tap on the channel name. This will open the channel's profile page where you can see all the details and settings. Now look for the Edit option. It's usually represented by a pencil icon or the word Edit. Tap on it to access the channel management settings. From the menu, select Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of everyone who currently has admin rights for your channel. Find the admin you want to grant story management permissions to and tap on their name. You'll see a list of permissions for that admin. Scroll until you find the option labeled Manage Stories. This is the setting that allows an admin to create, edit, or manage stories for your channel. Toggle this option on. Once you've enabled Manage Stories, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen and tap it to confirm. That's it. You've now given your chosen admin the ability to manage stories on your Telegram channel. This feature is especially useful for channels where multiple admins need to keep your audience updated and engaged with fresh content. If you ever want to change these permissions, just repeat these steps. Keeping your admin's settings up to date ensures your channel runs smoothly, and everyone has the access they need to contribute. Thanks for tuning in. Stay updated for more Telegram tips and make the most out of your channel's features.